In this video, I am going to explain question set 23. The first question is, what is the lowest mark obtained for single subject in the first term? Select mark, minimum mark from student exam mark record, inner join, subject on student exam mark record. Connect these two tables by subject ID equals subject table ID, and another we need the exam term table as well. So inner join exam table on student exam mark record, inner join on dot exam term ID equals exam term table ID, where subject name equals single subject and term name equals first term. So 75 is the answer for the first question. Question is, find all the details of the student who got the lowest marks in the first term single subject. So select everything from student, where student exam mark record, inner join subject on student exam mark record dot subject ID subject dot subject ID, and inner join exam term table on student exam mark record dot exam term ID equals exam term ID, where subject name equals single subject and the term name is first term. First term and the mark. In here I'm going to write a subquery to get the minimum mark. So select min, get the minimum mark from the student exam mark record table, inner join with subject table on student exam mark record subject dot subject ID equals subject dot subject ID, and another inner join exam term on student exam mark record dot term exam term id equals exam term dot term underscore id, where subject name equals Sinhala language and literature, and term name equals first term. So this is the answer for the second question. The next question is, what is the lowest mark obtained in the second term science subject? So to get the lowest mark, select minimum mark from student exam mark record table, inner join the subject on, connect these two tables using student exam mark record subject id and subject table subject id, and inner join exam term on student exam mark record dot exam term id equals exam term dot term id, where the subject is science and exam term is second term. Subject name is science and term name equals second term. So the answer is 45.52. The fourth question is, what is the minimum mark obtained for the subject of mathematics in the term examination held on 2027-10? So select minimum mark from student exam mark record, inner join subject table on student exam mark record dot subject id equals subject dot subject id, inner join exam term table on student exam mark record dot exam term id equals exam term id dot term id, where subject name equals mathematics and exam date equals 2027-10. The answer is 44.12. So the last question is, find all the readers of the student who obtained the minimum mark obtained for the subject of mathematics in the term examination held on 2027-10. So for this, select everything from student table, where student index number. I'm going to write a subquery. So in get me select the student index number from student exam from the mark record table where mark, and to get the minimum mark I'm going to write another subquery. So select min mark from student exam mark record table where inner join subject table on student exam mark record dot subject id equals subject id, another inner join, and take the exam term table on student exam mark record dot exam term id equals exam term dot term id where the subject name is mathematics and exam date equals 2020-7-10. The answer is student number 001 Sadun Vijayvat. So this is all for this question set. Thank you for watching.